What's up everyone, welcome to another vlog. Here we are in the car headed to our local Toyota store again for like the millionth time, but they had a 4th of July sale, so we definitely put that to use and bought 2 new items for our 4Runner. So the first item we bought to change the grill, so our front grill, so instead of the logo up front, we bought one that says Toyota and it's the color bronze.
I think it's the heritage trim model.
Something like that, but we'll show you guys the exact name and stuff once we get it.
Bronze Toyota badge in the back.
Yeah, so we also, the second item was a back decal. Right now it's what, black, right?
It's like
kind of black.
Acrylic chrome.
Yeah, so we're gonna change that to a bronze color saying Toyota as well. So got those 2 items for their during their 4th of July sale. So definitely got good deals on those. So we're gonna go ahead and pick it up. Okay, so we just pulled up to our Toyota parts center here, and then Kuvin's gonna go ahead and pick up our parts. There's Kuvin, like a kid at a candy store every time he gets a new car part. Babe, I was saying it's like you're a kid at a candy store whenever you get a new car parts.
So,
But show the haul.
the grill.
The grill?
And then let me get a knife.
Oh, that's cool. So here is the decals that we're gonna replace our old one with, the color bronze. Which this is the part number for the grill right over here, if anyone is interested. What's the part number for this?
Someday.
Oh, and for this bronze emblem thing, this is the part number here. Oh, show the air fresheners. And then we ended up getting these air fresheners here. We've had these before, but this is our first time purchasing it at the Toyota store. So, oh, the sun is too bright. Oh, there you go. Yeah, cool. But yeah, these smell really good. This is what, our second batch of these, but they're cheaper on Amazon, but we ended up just getting it here anyways. Okay, my husband is opening it just to double check. And let's see.
Fancy wrapping.
Oh. Unboxing ASMR. Just kidding.
That's sticky. Hold that for yourself, sorry.
Okay, show it over here. Let's see. Wow, it's bronze. So that's gonna replace our original one.
Put it in the front so we can keep it.
So this is our original grill right here. So we're gonna replace it with this one that we just got. So we're gonna change out these letters here that were originally on the car to these bronze ones that we recently purchased. So hopefully we're in frame right now, but basically we're gonna change out the grill. So Kuvin needs to basically take out everything here, and I'll probably time lapse it, not quite sure, but we'll see. This is how our car's grill looks like right now. This is the original, has a chrome logo here. So we're gonna basically replace this area here. Like you saw in the previous clip, we're gonna change it to that bronze Toyota.
Take out this cover, and then there's 2 bolts connectors. There's 3 bolts underneath. I have to take out the bender flares, and the whole bumper should come off.
Yep, so whatever he said. Yeah, so let's get started. And then this will no longer be here. It'll be changed and say Toyota. We showed it yesterday, but here's a better look of it. So this is how the new one's gonna be.
And it matches.
And then we got it because we changed our what do you call it? The center caps. So it's gonna match. Both bronze. And it says Toyota. So I have a time lapse going on the Osmo here, and Kuvin is basically just getting started on taking out this front section here. Got his tools and stuff laid out here on the bench. Easy access, and yeah, and then there's our guard dog. Okay, so my husband's working on taking out this first panel, or I don't know what you call it, but trying to be extra careful because don't want to break anything here. Okay, so yeah, so you guys just got to be extra careful when pulling this off because you don't want to break these tabs here. So
scary. But all of this is on one side.
So all of these screws came out just from one side. And basically he has to do the same thing with taking off from what he did here to the other side over here. It's just crazy to think that you have to take out so much just to get this grill off. It's a process. And learning as you go.
Patience too.
So he's basically using this plastic pry bar to assist.
Just enough to get to this screw. After that, I want to disconnect the battery.
So what are you trying to do now?
I have to disconnect these two wires. I think that's it.
It's disconnected now?
Yeah.
It's these two right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So he basically just disconnected these two wires here. We're just slowly wiggling it off. There's like tons of videos on YouTube that shows like step by step, which basically that's how Kuben learned how to disassemble this and stuff. So that's what we're doing, but we're just slowly wiggling it off. It's finally off. So we got the full front bumper off after all of that. So now he got to do a lot of unscrewing stuff over here and take out the old grill to replace the new one. But yeah, this is how the car looks like without the front bumper. So bare. So now that we got the front bumper off, basically have a bunch of different screws here to unscrew to take off the...
Changing the top grill. We're not doing the bottom.
Yeah, so basically taking all the screws out to take this out.
Just to get to that. But yeah. So far, this is all the screws that came out. But yeah, like you mentioned, we're only doing this part, not gonna change that part. And definitely keep all your screws organized so you don't lose it. Got the time lapse right there. Wow. If you want to change the chrome,
No.
Instead of putting the old cover, just change the chrome.
So after such strangulation, we finally got this grill out and now we're able to swap it. Goodbye, old grill. You are now being replaced by this one. So now we gotta just put everything back together. Do you remember?
What if you put a Galaxy to cover the hole?
Oh yeah, we should. So we're probably gonna cover this since we don't have a front cam. So probably gonna put a Galaxy vinyl, just like how we did for the roof rack. So let's do it. We had leftover vinyl, Galaxy vinyl from, the last time we used it on the roof rack, the Prinzu roof rack. Now we're just gonna cover this camera hole, put this little square piece here. And then that way, oops, let me get it in there. That way it's not just a random hole there. It will be Galaxy. But yeah, we're gonna tape it down or glue it down. So this is a one and done thing because it takes a lot to just get this grill out. So gonna be the first and last. And just like that, check it out. See the little added touch of personalization of ours. Galaxy vinyl. Now that we finished putting that vinyl on, he's gonna reinstall it back on to the front bumper here. Got a whole bunch of screws to put back on. So my husband was saying that this is our first and last, obviously speaking, because we're only going to change this grill once, which we chose this one. And saying that it was like honestly too much work to even take this apart.
But just a lot of patience.
Yeah. And I was telling him it's like a real life Lego. putting this car together, or disassembling and putting it back together and such. But almost done. So we lifted it back up onto the car, and check it out. We still need to screw in the side panels and all that, but yeah, for the most part, the grille is changed. It's swapped out. Looks pretty cool. Like I mentioned earlier, here's the Galaxy vinyl that we put to cover the camera hole here. Since we don't...
The only thing we did is, I don't know if we did that, but...
Oh, snaps. No, you just gotta clean it. But, yeah, looks cool. Toyota. So all we have to do now is put all these screws back on, pop these back in on both sides basically. So got the screws here, pop these back in, then basically done. Can call it a day. But definitely looks much nicer, and it'll match our center caps that we put on over here like we did on the previous video. So cool. So this is the last part. Basically got to push these little buttons in. ASMR time. You can hear Toki in the background. And just like that, basically done. Put this back down and call it a day. Wow. How do you feel, babe? Good job. It was tedious work, but you did it. Nice. And just like that, the new grill is on. Look at it in all of its glory, and the little decal here. But out with the old, in with the new.